How's it going? Y'all trying to push this thing up there? Oh, I can help out. You need a fat man to lean on it. I don't know. Oh, wow. It's got one wheel missing.
Yeah. Popped off the exit.
Oh. Oh, shit. I imagine so. Man, that's terrible.
They didn't. Too much pushing the truck forward. Trying to back each other up slowly. If I back it up, it's going to push the reds. Well, now with the weight of the truck already on that.
How long ago did this happen?
6 o'clock this morning.
God damn, what a wake up.
Yeah.
On the way to work?
No, we were on the way back home.
Oh, I see. Oh, you were in it too?
He was in that car. I came around this corner, and I've been feeling a wobble at high speeds. And I took the belt tire, said nothing was wrong with it. Went around that corner, my tire popped off, went underneath my truck. I spun sideways and hit that brick wall.
God damn. Man. Ooh, well, I'm glad you made it.
Yeah.
Woo. You guys, I seen you hadn't moved it this far.
Yeah, it's easier to move flat like this.
Yeah, no doubt. Gravity is a bitch.
And I was gonna 4-wheel drive swap this. Not even like a week before I lost my other job. I was just about to buy the 4-wheel drive axle and the transfer case and transmission to 4-wheel drive swap it. Really wish I did that.
Yeah.
That, throw it forward and drive it right up.
Right, no doubt. Just, Well, I don't know.
No idea either.
Did you guys get here and try it and it was too heavy, or you haven't tried it yet?
We hit it and it stopped there. With that scraping, it's hard.
Right, no doubt.
And I was lifting it, but I had my back whole bed broke.
Oh, it came loose. Oh, yeah, it ain't made for that.
No, it ain't.
Whew.
I wonder if we can back it up at this point. The jack will roll a lot better than.
Oh, yeah? If the jack has wheels, and hell yeah. It's like a skate. You know, the guy just towed my freaking car not long ago, and then when we loaded it, I seen they have these pieces of wood they put underneath things, and it just slides. Everything slides. They're kind of like slick pieces of wood. So that jack has wheels, man. Absolutely good idea. Uh-oh. And the jack does have to be in that configuration some kind of way. Yeah, that's. Yeah, I was just thinking maybe this side might have a better, but it doesn't matter which direction. Uh-oh. It works very good. It works very good, but be very fucking careful. Oh, yeah, I don't think you need to go any higher than just to tease it from touching. Yes, I think it works. It makes it much less affected by friction. Now we'll have to be gentle, but I think it'll roll better than what it would now.
Yeah, I'm not gonna wait for it.
Yeah, that's cool. Whew. Wow, that was a good idea.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose it right when it hits us. But
Yeah, we'll have to be. Yeah, absolutely. I was thinking it might just get us most of the way, and then I don't know what, but at least that's something.
Yeah, that's kind of why I wanted it on that side, so it just fall off. But that way, at least get somewhat of it.
Oh man, where did you say you were headed to again?
I was headed home in Muskegon.
Oh, okay,
I was gonna go
Muskegon.
to the gas
Okay.
station right there and grab some gas real quick.
I almost bought a house in Muskegon, man. It was on Baker Street, and it has no roof. And they had it on Facebook Marketplace for $2,000, and I barely missed it. It's probably falling down, but I know it had to be. But
Yeah, I was sitting in this corner right here, and it started wobbling really bad, and then I heard a thud, and my whole truck went, and the tire was right here, stuck right in here, and it slid right across the wet cement. I swung right around. There was no counter steer, nothing. I tried everything. It didn't do nothing. It
Right.
just swung right around, right backwards. I went straight backwards and slammed right into the wall. And the tire was sitting right here in between the wall and the tire.
it is going to roll much easier. That is wild. That is wild.
I was gonna take this off, but then it's got a square bit on this side too. So I was thinking about just sliding the inside of the tire right over it because it'd roll a lot better. Plus that way we could line it up.
Yeah, you know, someone should make something that's just made to just clamp onto anything you can clamp onto, and then jack up a little bit and just use it as a wheel to get your ass.
They have off-road ones, and that one can just ride right up in. They even have things now that'll come to your back of your truck. They'll grab the hitch and it'll pull it up. And they're little robots, so you just walk with it.
Oh
And
yeah.
you can move the back end wherever you want.
Yeah,
or you can
yeah.
put it in your garage and stuff.
Oh yeah, they must have got the idea from the first time I seen something like that. They was moving trailer houses, and they just hook one to one end of the other, and then one guy has a remote, another guy has a remote, and they just it moves it wherever. That's cool.
This is a more fancy hotel.
It's not that fancy. Probably
Yeah,
expensive.
I went into the. It looks fancy as you go in and stuff. I went into the bathroom. It wasn't fancy. So.
Yeah, and it's an old hotel, so I imagine the rooms are just, you know.
Well, they showed them being fancy on their online.
Okay, might be. I've stayed here many times, but I've never actually stayed inside the hotel. I'm DigiNomad, and I sleep in vehicles all around the country. You know, it saves me, you know, like this kind of thing, because people spend maybe $160 to stay at a hotel.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
14 to stay a night if you book it, but if it's on the spot, it's like 250.
Yikes! But they never charged me anything. I've stayed here so many times, and I found something that I call DigiNomad Cathedral. I was sitting here in the parking lot, I had gotten up, I was ready, soon I was going to go start work. I do gig work like food delivery, grocery delivery, any kind of gig work that I can have apps and drive 10 hours and then turn them all on and make $200. I don't need to have a job. I just go wherever I want. But I was sitting there, I hadn't started yet, and I seen some people in those green scooters go by, go through the parking lot, and go somewhere. So I followed them, and I went through the woods, and there's an overpass there, and I seen the scooters there, and I walked, and I seen the guys way up the top of the overpass smoking weed up there. They were on lunch from wherever, somewhere close. And if you climb up there, it's beautifully painted with all kind of graffiti, and there's a beautiful river that runs in between the two sides. And it's fucking beautiful. So I call it DigiNomad Cathedral. on my YouTube. Make sure you're still here, and also delete some data. I don't want to run out of space. Ooh. All right, got this guy. Oh, there he is. We have another wheel now. Kind of, sorta. When he first put it up there and he jacked it up, it worked so well that it almost ran over him. It started rolling back. So I think it's going to help at least. That's for sure.
One of the tires behind the tire that's connected.
Oh, whoa. All right, we're starting to go crooked on your the thing here.
Jet.
Be real careful. Well, I don't know how far this thing goes down, but I don't want it to fall on you. Okay, it doesn't go down that far, but still. Whoa. Oh, we're trying to move it? You trying to move it?
Not that fast.
Okay.
Yeah. My grandma wants me to hurry. She's getting a fix.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Well, the jack is more steerable here. It won't go sideways on you if you have somebody, right? You'll be able to control it. That's cool.
Turn it to the right so we can back it out. Straighten it up more. Yep. Alright, start turning to the left. All the way.
All the way left?
Yep. Alright, pull it back. Alright, right there. Straighten it out. If you need to get in it, you can. If it drops at all, you'll just fall over it. It ain't gonna hurt you. I'm being honest, it won't hurt you.
No.
Well, if
Going
if
forward.
not, then push. Help us push.
Start turning to the right. Try to steer it the best you can with that tire on your side. Try to get it right on the ramp in the middle.
All right, how hard do we want to hit this? All right.
You guys clear?
Yeah. We could have hit it harder.
Tire?
Huh?
Is it gonna roll back if you let go? Probably. Let go.
Chalk the tires?
Yeah, talk.
Sure. It looks like it's good. But, I see. That is like an anchor. All right. Uh-oh.
Put it in park. It's on the column. Right on the...
Your car door is locked.
Open it from the inside. Pull it towards you. Yep, pull it towards you and then up. Hold it.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, wait. Oh, it's not. Feel. Stop with the tire.
You could lower the jack too.
Yeah, that's right. You want to use this as a wheel chuck bigger?
I bet you we're good. This thing, I think it would just slide. But that's underneath there. Let me see what we got here.
All right, ready?
All right, want to try it? Just without? Yeah. Okay, okay.
Right there?
Oh, what? Who? There's no way.
Yeah, you just moved it. You just moved like the whole.
It's
Oh, Jesus
the
Christ.
trailer moved
Yeah,
up.
the trailer moved up.
I'm afraid that might be why it was so easy.
Yep.
I was like, wow, we're really lifting it this easy? This is going to be no problem. But then, uh-oh. It was like slack. Oh wait, though, we definitely made it up a ways though, because a minute ago, we were further. Before we pushed it, we were further down.
Not being like that. We're gonna slowly back the truck up. We're gonna push the truck forward. Gotta look at that parking lot.
You better hope they get it down the message for the parking lot. They shouldn't. If they want to be assholes, they will.
Oh, you guys went inside there and told them what would happen?
We
In the-
tried to, but no one's been at the desk when we went in there.
Oh, I see. That's good. That's good. Better nothing than
Yeah,
something
we
bad.
tried.
Yeah.
He's gonna back up. We're gonna push forward.
All right. Be real careful that something bad don't happen, like the truck come backwards on top of you, you know.
Just go.
All right. All right, go. I didn't. Nothing happened. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Now we have to steer it a little. Yeah, this is going to get hard now because the ramps.
Mine.
Once it goes on top of the ramps, going backwards won't make a difference anymore, I think.
Now's a good time for the ratchet strap. We'll go to the steering wheel. Stay like that.
Okay.
As long as you don't move.
If there was some way to brace the trailer, you could pull it up the truck. If we could brace the trailer against something.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, there's your winch. That's what you mean. Ooh, that's gonna be hard. At least any help, any extra pressure is helping. That's for sure.
Don't want you straight out though.
No, that's as far as it goes.
Unhook it.
Yeah,
I want to lay that one out.
if we ratchet it, we can't go back on it. Everything.
Probably need to get that little wheel up on top of the skid before you do too much pulling.
Yeah.
Yeah, to this point, but we're gonna ratchet. We're gonna ratchet it so it won't move back. That way it can only move forward.
And then every little bit you can tighten it up. If we are able to move it up more, we don't want to lose that. Yeah.
Grab it on that.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Are we gonna push it over a little bit? Oh, there you go. Of course.
That should be good. To get up there at least.
Yeah, yeah. At least it's not gonna get caught on it. Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. Did you pull it?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
We might still need it a little. Oops. We may, I don't know, we may not. I hope we can move it at all. If we can move it, I'll be just happy. If we can move it, we'll get it some kind of way, even if it takes a while. But if we're not able to move it at all, that's when we're fucked.
We all back here.
Yeah, let's give it a try.
Get back to Dylan. I'm in front of this.
All right. We're moving it. Hell yeah. Okay, I'm pushing. Uh-oh, it's trying to go.
You know how to do them, right? No, the ratchet.
I know.
Yeah, we moved it, no problem. This we're gonna get it.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna make me feel great.
Yeah. Were you coming from partying last night or something?
So we went. We got her sister's friend. That's almost in Ohio.
Yeah.
And he wanted me to follow him. And so I was following him, and then I needed. My GPS told me to come out here. Yes. And right as I was coming around that corner, that back tire come out. It was stuck right under my frame, and it wouldn't let me steer nothing. It was just like an iceberg.
Yeah.
I took my truck, and I counter steered it at first. It came around, and when it came around, it just whipped fast as fuck. And I went backwards and slammed right into the wall. And then I like shook myself. My hat was on the ground. I took my hat off. And I was like, what the fuck just happened? I get out and yes.
Yeah. That is crazy. Whew, good. Take a break before we push it again. Yeah, that's some serious fucking breakage. Oh yeah, awesome. What is this?
That's my axle.
Okay.
It ripped the whole thing off.
It broke at the
She's
axle.
been wobbling.
Yeah.
When I got it off, that whole thing was sizzling.
Oh,
So it was hot. It got hot as fuck and it broke off.
It must have been bent. I'm gonna make sure that I left my air conditioner on. I'm gonna go make sure that I left my air conditioner on, and I'll be right back. Because I got 2 dogs in there. I remember turning the AC on. I'm not fucking risking my dog's life on my memory. Yeah, I see it going. Okay. Car's running. Well, this is pretty cool. I might actually post this. See, I live these adventures every day for 4 years, but I keep saying I'm going to start posting all my videos, but I want to post them from starting 4 years ago, day by day by day. All right. That was awesome that it moved this last time. That means we got it.
That time was easy, yeah.
Yeah, we got
We
it.
just needed up in there foot corner. We gotta get that strap over.
Yeah. I don't see us failing now. Before that last time, I didn't know if we were gonna be able to move it or not.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, I guarantee you,
And
we're.
the wheel thing, yeah.
Oh, a little more. Alright.
All right, wait. Let me get in here somewhere. All right. We're gonna. Okay.
We can take another break if you guys need.
All right.
We gotta go with the straps.
Go ahead.
No, we might as well just fucking push it.
All right, let's try again. Yeah.
Are we hitting the front of the trailer?
Oh.
We have that on the tire for a wheel chop. No, leave it back.
Yeah.
Put it on the trailer for a wheel chop.
Yeah.
This way.
I don't think it'll work, but it's the.
No, I can push.
Yeah. I think we're. That's cool. I think we got it
Are you sure?
because he's got some ratchet straps up in the front that he's tightening up. I don't think none of that would help.
Find a little bit.
No, it won't. I think it's as far as it'll go. I think now they're just trying to ratchet it up at the front.
Oh, okay.
I'll let you push that for a second and I'll go see.
So what I'm doing is just grab here.
Are we trying to still go further forward?
Yeah, the
Yeah,
tire's
you
gotta
can
be
push it from the back. We're grabbing these straps and trying to yank
All right,
it.
tell us when to go. Looks like this other one is trying to come up. I don't know. Let's go.
You need to push a little bit.
All right. All right, go. I don't see it happening.
I think it's breaking.
Huh? What happened was the wheel came off. Look, it broke right here. The axle broke
Oh my god.
while he was coming off of that exit right there.
Oh.
The axle broke and he spun and hit the wall. I don't think it. Oh, is it rolling back? I don't think so. I don't think it's rolling back.
Feel good?
Huh?
Alright.
You don't want to go back too much. You don't want this to fall off. You don't want nothing to fall off of that edge.
Yeah, we hooked the chain up to my ram bar. That's what's stopping us.
Ah.
Forward.
All right, going forward? All right. All right. So you should give me a pose for the thumbnail for the video.
Yep,
For real. I'm Digi Nomad on YouTube. No pose? You're not going to give me the pose? This is going to have to be it then. Woo. Well, I would say it was a success. I was glad to help too. And I think you guys are all wrapped up.
Yep, thank you.
No problem. You have a good one.
You too.
Hey, you have a good one. Yeah, hashtag DigiNomad, DIGINOMAD. If you want to subscribe, you know I'm not gonna be sad about that. Y'all have a good one.